All right, everyone. Sorry for the delay on getting this video out, but it's been kind of busy. But here we are. We're gonna be testing out all the lights on these back roads. These are just my headlights. These are the Morimoto XB LED headlights on a 2014 Ford F150. And we're just gonna kind of go through a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys how they look. I'm recording this on my phone. Same settings as last time on my previous videos. I know it's been a while. These are just the headlights. I'll show you guys what it looks like with the fog lights. The fog lights are the Morimoto XB 4-bangers, but I had them in the amber. I'm gonna go ahead and turn those on real quick. Yeah, you can see makes a big difference. Can do just the fog lights. That's just the fog lights by themselves. Those are the A-pillar. They are the 4-banger as well, HXB, but I have them in the combo amber. You can see they really shine out there. That is my Rough Country 30-inch LED bar. It's a single roll. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. So I do have the dual, and you can see it's just a lot of light. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my headlights. That's with the headlights, with the fog lights. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these off. Turn off my headlights. This right here is the Diode Dynamics 12-inch in the amber. You can see I'm gonna turn on my fog lights so you can see the 4-bangers compared to the 12-inch Diode Dynamics series. Yeah, these 4-bangers are really bright. Continue. Those are my headlights, fog lights, the Diode Dynamics 12-inch LED bar. You can see there's plenty of light. I'm gonna turn on the Rough Countries. Those are my grille lights, LED bar, 30-inch. I have no issue seeing in the dark. So that pretty much sums it up. I'll see you guys on the next one.